Hi, I'm Jen Conti with the Patents Project, here to bring you April's featured solution, Phonak.
In this video, we see a real-life example of how the best hearing technology works in the classroom. The day starts off like any other, with the teacher powering on her Roger microphone and easily slipping it over her head. The elementary students enter the classroom. Our hero is wearing a Phonak Sky-B hearing aids on his ears. Thanks to the feature Roger Ready, his hearing aids sense that our Roger microphone is present and automatically flip into the program to allow for direct audio input. As the teacher begins her lesson about space exploration, we see the Roger Dynamic Sound Field system in the background. This speaker provides amplification for all students. The Roger Multimedia Hub connects all classroom multimedia devices, such as smartboards, laptops, and iPads. It transmits the sound signals right into the ear-level hearing technology and the sound field speaker. Now we see the teacher and a special guest co-leading a class discussion. Both are wearing Roger touchscreen mics. Students use the Roger pass-around microphones placed throughout the room to ask questions and participate in the discussion. All these microphones allow for signal mixing, so through the ear-level amplification and the sound field, the blending of voices and media sound clear and natural. When it's time for small group work, the teacher takes off her Roger touchscreen mic and places it on the table of our students with hearing loss. By doing this, 3 microphones on the perimeter of the device begin capturing the group's discussion and bringing those signals right into his ear-level receivers. Set up your classrooms with the Roger for Education portfolio to ensure your students can have full access to vibrant learning environments. With Phonak, life is on.
Find more information on Phonak at www.phonakpro.com or contact Territory Manager Alicia Vander Zanden at 1-331-457-2512 or email at alicia.vanderzanden@phonak.com. That's ALICIA.VANDERZANDEN@PHONAK.com. Follow Patents on Facebook, Twitter, and patentsproject.org. Subscribe and click the bell so you're the first to see the latest Patents TV videos.